Hello, my friend. How are you today? I don't know about you, but I am immersed in life, in radiant life, and it's flowing, stirring in every cell of my being. Can you affirm that with me? I am immersed in life, in radiant life, and it's flowing, stirring, moving in every cell of my being. Yes, it is. We have to go out and claim that and truly make it our reality, especially with all the dynamics that are going on in our world today. I think that the most interesting thing about the Bible is that the most quoted phrase is what they feared came upon them. Yeah. The most quoted verse in the Bible is what they feared came upon them. And then the prophets, the Old Testament, Jesus, even Paul, what they tried to do is to get people to turn their thoughts around, to embrace life, wondrous life everywhere around us, flowing in and through us, and to align our words with that breath of life. I remember the day that I walked into what's called the rotunda of the publishing building at Unity Village. And I looked up at the rotunda and I saw these words: I am immersed in life, in radiant life. And it flows and stirs and flows through every cell of my being, dissolving my every mortal limitation, washing away every appearance of lack, of limitation, of illness, of disease. Wow. So now when I get up in the morning and I go stand in the shower and take the shower, I feel the living waters pour out upon me. I feel these living waters. The water of the shower is living water, and I feel it flowing over my being. I see it moving in every cell of my being, glowing with energy and life and wonder, dissolving my every mortal limitation, washing away every appearance of lack, a limitation, of illness, of disease, of virus. I see that radiant life flowing in and through me, dissolving my every mortal limitation. I connect with the life and energy of the divine. Today, we have something very unusual in Oklahoma, a light rain. And I just went out to feed the cats, and I felt that living water pouring out upon me, flowing, stirring, moving. It opens my eyes to the wonders all around me, like this building built in the 1700s, or this on the top of Mount Scott, right? Wondrous life is all around us. And even as we move through the dry times of life, if we can align ourselves with this living force, with this breath of life, with this energy of the divine, it can transform the way that we see the world. Dandelions are beautiful flowers. The spring lightening up, the flowers that bloom throughout the summer, even here in Oklahoma. Yeah. I am immersed in life, in radiant life. This living energy, the life force of all being, flows in and through me with each breath I take. So I pause within this moment now, and I breathe in that living energy, and I feel it within my heartbeat. I feel it flowing out to fill every cell of my being, even in those dry places. I see the living waters flowing in and through it, lifting me up into an awareness of life, of radiant life, lifting me up to the energy and wonder and goodness that is all around us, all the time. So many ways to enjoy the wonder and beauty of life, to remind us, our friends, yeah. The life force is all around us, all the time. If only we pause and remember to breathe it in, and to feel that life force flowing, stirring in every cell of our being. Feel it within your heartbeat in this moment. Be still and know I am. Be still and know I am. I am in the midst of you. I am all around you. I am like living water that flows through every cell of your being. The I am. The great I am. The life force, the healing presence is right here in the midst of me, in the midst of you. If we learn to pause and to feel its presence flowing through us with each heartbeat, life becomes a wonder. And I invite you to go in search of this wonder. Just to be here now in this moment, aware of a life force all around you, aware of the life force flowing through you. The healing power of the universe is right here, right now, flowing through us. Can you feel it? Moving in you, stirring in you. Be still and allow its wonder to bubble up in this moment now. I am radiantly alive. I am immersed in the life and the radiant life of the divine. It flows in and through every cell of my being, and I am glowing. I am glowing with energy and life. It is all around me. It is flowing through me. It is healing in me in this moment now as I feel that radiant life flowing in every cell of my being. I am aglow with life, with radiant life, and it is lifting me up in this moment. I thank you, dear Lord, for this moment now. I say thank you, dear Lord, for your healing life that flows in and through me. I say thank you for all the beauty that is around me all the time. I say thank you for helping me to see it, to know that you are here, right here with me, within me, and all around me. Yes. The light of God does surround me. The love of God enfolds me. The power of God protects me. The presence of God watches over me. For wherever I am, God is. And the life force, the healing life force is flowing in every cell of my being. And I am thankful. I am thankful. I am thankful. I am thankful for this day, for this moment. I am thankful for the healing life flowing through me. I am thankful that I am remembering that I am your child, your light, your love in this expression. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I invite you to go out and look for the wonder today. I invite you to go out and look for the heartbeat of God beating within your heartbeat, beating in life all around you, to feel the healing, renewing presence everywhere. Look for it, and you will find it.